Hello everybody, I hope you're all fine. It's late in the evening and we've been working all day long in the garden. I've been taking care of the plants and yeah, look at this, what I did here. So this one is looking okay. Yeah, it was quite a warm day, pleasant day, and we've harvested already. I still have to harvest some grapes. Most of them are gone already. Look here, the wasps have been helping to eat them, but there are still many plums here. So many plums. I've continuously harvesting plums. I've already 16 glasses of jam or jar of jam done that, and there's still so much. The neighbors got some plums. I've been busy making jam, but there are still so many plums on the tree and here at home that I have to take care of. Well, I thought we won't eat that much jam in 1 year, but the tree was having so many plums this year like never before, and you don't know if next year there will be as many plums as this year, so it's better to have them. And yeah, but still so many, and they're just getting really ripe. They're very soft already, and today I still take some home. I'm something behind me. Yeah, plums, the apples are getting bigger and bigger. Look at this tiny little apple tree with these big apples. 2 apples are here. That's funny. And here are those golden delicious. I still didn't change much here because we're just so busy doing a lot in the garden. At daytime there are many butterflies here on this butterfly bush, and behind there are the birds. They're eating already the firethorn berries. The pumpkins are growing, small ones, big ones. Yeah, they're just coming. And here is something crazy. Look at this here. They are so huge. They're just huge in here. Here's another one, I think. I've harvested quite a bit, quite a few strawberries. They're all on the way home already. And raspberries, of course. And this here I still have to bring it a little bit to the trellis. There are different ones here. Yellow ones, green ones, self-sown, all of them. Yeah. Oh, but this trellis is looking quite nice, huh? And here I was thinking I have to put it somewhere that the pumpkin can grow nicely. On the trellis they don't get blemishes, they just grow. But once they're here on such a shelf, they can just get scratched. So this one is okay for them. Ah, that is crazy the way they're growing here. Just nice. Here, those plums are also getting ripe. They still take some time, but they will get ripe soon. It's better when they don't get ripe all at the same time. So here, more pumpkins. Oh gosh, so many of them. And oh gosh, oh, this one looks nice, like a lampion. That's just amazing. And here are the leeks. Daytime there are many bees and little insects, so it's difficult to pass by here. Oh, my husband mulched here this tree, and I think I I saw that I still have to harvest some of those blueberries. Yeah, I've harvested lots of tomatoes. My husband took them already on his way home. And here I've changed this bed here, this garden bed as well. Tiny little pepper. It took me too long to put them into a bigger bed, but those ones are big already. This cucumber always reminds me that I should take it home, because always when I try to pass by here, go through this little way, I hit my head. So today I take her along. There's still so many growing, and when you harvest them continuously, the new ones that are sitting up there, they can grow as well. So my husband took most of the stuff home already that we harvested, but I still find something that has to be harvested and that I have to take home as well. There's the plums anyhow, and more tomatoes. Grapes are so sweet, it's really great. And of course the zucchini and the cucumber and this little pepper. If you leave the, here you see there's some of my grapes. You see, if you leave them, they are gone. So that's why I took those ones along as well. They are so sweet, they are really delicious. And the tomatoes, these ones I still leave there. They can still ripen for a few days until they are fine. Yeah, that's really amazing. I think, oh, it's getting autumn. You can see where the sun is going down. In summer it was going down there where you see the big tree, but now it's there. The sun will go down at 20, 40, I think they said. But sometimes it goes down here at 10 o'clock in the evening. Yeah. So it feels a little bit strange because autumn is on its way. But at least there is not a big heat wave coming again. Just pleasant at the moment. And look at these nice ones. I thought they gave up growing, but they came again. Just nice. And I didn't know where to put those petunias, but I've painted this raised bed a little bit purple, and I think it fits quite nicely. I really like them. These are the small ones with yellow dots in there, and these ones I really like. I really love them. And here are some sedum coming, and they will bloom in a similar color. Yep. Okay, I think that's it for now. Just checking what's happening here on this side. Look at this rose here. Don't see it properly. Actually, it was supposed to be a white rose, but it's red. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Yes, and have a nice day or a nice evening whenever you watch this. Bye bye and take care.